With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that a block of mass 10 kilograms is placed on a horizontal surface. Okay, as shown in figure, the force F is 100 newtons applied on the block. The block is in rest with respect to the ground. The contact force between the block and the ground is 25 newton, basically 25 N, not newton. Find the value of N. So we need to find the value of N. So if we see the block, okay, there is a force acting over here. There will be a downward force also, which is equal to mg. Okay, and finally there will be a resultant force due to the contact force. Okay, so basically if we want to do this in a simple way, then what we will do, to do it in a simple way, there is a very simple thing that firstly we will draw the FBD, that basically there is a mg force downwards and there is a F force over this side. Okay, which is over here F is equal to 100 Newton and this is basically equal to mg. Okay, so the resultant of that, so that the block remains in equilibrium, one force has to be added over to this side basically, so that the block is in equilibrium, and this is the resultant force. So the resultant force will be what? Basically it is given that F vector plus mg vector plus resultant vector must be equal to 0. Why? Because the block is in equilibrium. Okay, so the block doesn't move because, so this is happening because block is in equilibrium. Okay, so basically R is the resultant force due to the contacts. Okay, this is the contact forces. It means sum of all contact forces, friction as well as normal force. Okay, so we are not calculating it separately, we are just calculating it as a whole, so that what we'll get over here, we'll get R vector must be equal to negative of F vector minus basically F vector plus mg vector. Okay, so F vector plus mg vectors, the resultant will come somewhat over here, and it is absolutely, R is vector is absolutely opposite of that. You can see over here what we need to do is that we just need the magnitude, okay, not the direction. So on finding the magnitude, what we will do, we'll just need to do it. So basically over here what is the thing, that between the ground and the F vector there is a angle of 30 degrees. Okay, so let me erase it firstly. Okay, so this basically, this angle is basically 30 degrees, and one more thing is there, this angle is basically 90 degrees. Okay, this is 90 degrees, we all know, because basically it is to mg is acting always down, so basically it is 90 degrees. So this whole angle will be what? 90 plus 30, which is 120 degrees. Okay, so now if we take the addition of two vectors, okay, what it will come out to be, okay, if we only need the magnitude and not the direction, so what it will come, F vector will be equal to what? F plus mg will be equal to f square plus mg square, okay, plus 2f mg cos 120 degrees. Okay, so basically this is the thing, and there is also an under root over here. Okay, so basically this is the thing. So what is mg over here? Mg is basically 100. Okay, mg is equal to 100. Okay, f is equal to 100, and basically cos 120 degrees is equal to what? It is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so basically cos 120 degrees basically 1 by 2. So basically R will come out to be as what? R will come out to be as, if you see properly, there will be many 100 squares. Okay, so this will be 100 square. Okay, let's write 10 to the power 4 plus 10 to the power 4 again. Okay, plus again this will be 2 into 10 to the power 4, and basically there will be one basically cos 120 degrees. Okay, so basically there will be also 1 by 2. Okay, so basically one more thing we must notice, that cos 120 degrees is in the second quadrant. Okay, so there will be also a minus over here. Okay, because cos 120 degrees in the second quadrant, and basically in the second quadrant the cos is negative, so there will be a minus sign. Okay, so this will come out to be what? R will be equal to under root of 10 to the power 4 plus 10 to the power 4 minus 10 to the power 4. So this will come out to be what? 100 newtons. Okay, so now what we see over here, it was given in the format of what? It was given in the format of 25n. Okay, the answer was given as 25n. So 25n was equal to 100, then n will be equal to what? 4. So our answer will be what? N will be equal to 4. Okay, so our answer will be n will be equal to 4. Got it? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.